Simoniz pressure washers are all tested to meet and oftentimes exceed industry standards. If something goes wrong with your pressure washer, it may be related to usage, storage, or maintenance. This section deals with the most common problems cited by pressure washer users and how to solve them. If your motor will not start, check the following things. Make sure the on-off switch is in the on position. Make sure the power cord is plugged in. Check your extension cord to make sure it is not too long, damaged, or the wrong gauge. Your extension cord should be either 25-foot 16-gauge cord or a 50-foot 14-gauge cord. Perhaps the electrical outlet does not supply adequate power, in which case you should try a different outlet. If you are using the pressure washer and the motor stops, the circuit breaker may be tripped. Let it rest 10 minutes and then try restarting it. Depending on the age of the circuits and how many appliances are running off the circuit, it is possible that you may blow the fuse. If the fuse blows, try using another outlet. If your unit does not reach high pressure, it could be due to one of the following things. The diameter of the garden hose is too small. The garden hose should be 1 inch or 5/8 diameter. The water supply is restricted, not enough water inlet supply. Check the garden hose for kinks, leaks, and blockages. The water filter is clogged. Check the filter and rinse off with warm water if clogged. The power nozzle is in low position. Turn adjustable nozzle to the high pressure position. Finally, check all the hoses and fittings to make sure they're tight. Or, the pump is sucking air. To correct this, turn the motor off. Purge the pump by squeezing the trigger until a steady flow of water emerges through the nozzle. If your output pressure varies high and low, or the pressure appears to be surging, check the following. The pump may be sucking air. To solve this, turn the unit off and purge by squeezing the trigger until a steady stream of water emerges. The water inlet filter may be clogged. To correct this, remove the filter and rinse in warm water. The discharge nozzle is obstructed, or you have a calcified gun, hose, or power nozzle. To discharge an obstructed nozzle, take the adjustable nozzle and gently tap it to dislodge the blockage. Turn it upside down and run water through the gun for 20 seconds. Reattach the wand and water filter and try your machine again. If there is no detergent coming out, check the following. Make sure the detergent container is full. Check all connections. If the detergent is too thick, dilute it. Make sure the adjustable nozzle is in low pressure mode. If it is in high pressure mode, it will not allow detergent to pass. If you have checked all of these things and the detergent function is still not working, the detergent suction tube or pump could be clogged, or the detergent tube has come loose from the pump. To identify if the detergent pump is working, turn the unit on and place your fingers at the end of the detergent suction tube. If there is no suction, then the tube may have come loose. Contact your customer service representative for assistance. However, if you feel suction, then the mechanism is working and may only be clogged. To remove clogs, first remove all wands from the gun. Fill the detergent solution reservoir with warm water and restart the pressure washer under low pressure setting. Siphon until the water is gone. This will remove the remaining chemical solution from inside the reservoir. Repeat the process. Finally, reconnect adjustable nozzle to the end of the gun and set the nozzle at low pressure position and begin normal operations. If the garden hose connection leaks, it could be due to loose fittings or a missing or worn rubber washer. Tighten the fittings or insert a new washer to fix the problem. If a wand, extension, or nozzle leaks, it could be because it is not properly attached. Check that your wands or connections are locked into position. Also check the O-ring or plastic inserts to make sure they are not broken. If they are, call customer service for assistance. If your pump is noisy, then it could be sucking air. Check that hoses and fittings are airtight. Turn off the machine and purge the pump by squeezing the gun trigger until a steady flow of water emerges through the nozzle. If water leaks from the pump, check for loose fittings. If the fittings appear to be fine, call customer service for help. A few drops per minute is permissible. However, excessive leaking should not occur. If your unit is dripping oil, then the oil seals are damaged or worn. Call customer service. If the motor buzzes but fails to run, it could be due to the following. The supply voltage is below minimum requirements. Try another outlet. The system has residual pressure. If so, purge the compressor by releasing the trigger. There is a voltage loss due to unsuitable extension cord use. If so, check your manual to make sure you are using the right extension cords for your unit, or do not use any extension cords and plug the unit directly into the wall. If the pressure washer has not been used for long periods or was not properly winterized prior to winter storage, in both cases make sure the pump is thawed out, then attempt to restart. If the motor still fails, call your customer service representative for assistance. With proper care and usage, you can expect to enjoy your Simoniz pressure washer for years to come. Thank you for viewing this video and for purchasing the Simoniz pressure washer.